Annie from KingClima company, and today we will introduce our truck air conditioner. And this one installation with is bike wall mounted, and it has two installation ways, and it can be installed on the bike of the truck, and also it can be installed horizontal on the truck roof. And this is our operator and the cooling air volume and over 2,000 cubic meters. And this is our card for the model and information. And this is our installations parts. Yes, and at the same time, this is our installation manual. And this one cooling capacity is 2,600 kW. And if you have interest, just